So let's talk about function terminology. We're going to hear a lot, so let's kind of look at one that's already set up and look at what we call different things. So first we have our function definition, and this right here is our function definition. This is where we actually define the function and what it does. That's using this keyword def. In Python, there's other ways to do it in other programming languages, but def is how you do it in Python. Then we have the function name, which is my function. This could be named anything. It could be named my function 2. It could be named motorcycle. It could be named anything, right? And then we are sending in our arguments. Once again, the arguments can be named anything you want. It could be, some arg, some other arg. It could really be anything you want. Then we have our code in here that says what we want the function to do. So since we started to change some stuff, let's copy this and this. So we're now referring to our function arguments, and now we're returning what we want our function to really do and return back to the program. Okay, so this is the function definition, and these are the arguments. This is the name. Okay, then over here, this is when we call the function. So this means that we are asking Python to actually execute the function. We change the name, so let's do that, and we can, since it's returning this argument here, arg3, we can save that value in myvar. So when we call this function, it's actually returning a value that once it returns it, it's going to save it in myvar. And then when we print myvar, we go over here and it's 5, right? Because we're sending in 2 arguments. It's adding them and then returning them. All right, don't expect to understand everything right now. We're going to go more into it once we can actually see the terminology in action.